All right, guys, I welcome everyone on board. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download our video on Store One Facebook story. Without further ado, let me show you. As you can see, I'm on normal Facebook Lite app now. As you can see, I don't have the opportunity to download this video, but I'm going to make use of powerful software that will give me access to download any video on someone's story. Just go on Google, search for IDMs. IDM Plus is the powerful software to download this video now. The first thing is that go on the account in which you want to download the video and click on play button. As I click on play button, as you can see, there is one thing that pop up at the left hand side corner of my screen which shows one. Click on it and click on this link that is throwing. Click on the link and rename the video to desired title, because anytime you're trying to download video on Facebook, is going to show as facebook.mp4, but I'm going to name this video as story now, just to show how to make use of this software. And don't forget, the extension of this video is mp4, and try to make it to .mp4 and click on start. You will see that the video has started downloading. Let me go back to IDM. Now you will see that the video has completed. Let me click on the video so that you can see that it was the same video in which I showed you that I downloaded, making use of this powerful method. As you can see now, I will have it on my phone in which I can watch at any time. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. And I have a special package for you in which I explain step by step how to make use of this powerful software to download video on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Likewise, on Seller, you can make use of this software to download video on Udemy, in which I compile the step by step how to make use of this powerful software. Check the description section to gain access to this course as a token of 1000 naira today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.